Hello, Paul here again from EMD Motorsport at Kawara Road, Caringbah, Sydney. Just want to show you what I've done today. This car here came in with a lot of problems, but we finally found the problem with the actual steering angle. The thing is, you've got to actually test things to be 100% because parts are very expensive. Alright, so I'll show you when it first came in, there was a fault saying this is the fault that I came in. See that? ESP, steering angle sensor, internal fault. Alright? That was one of it. That fault there can relate to a lot of stuff according to the Mercedes-Benz bulletin. Alright, so I had to check all the other stuff first before I condemn this part here. Even the signal, I had to test the signal wire as well, because this sensor goes to a lot of ECUs. Even the wiring harness I had to check as well, because I didn't want to muck around and order the wrong parts. So after that whole full strip down, now I just connected the parts just like this for now. I haven't put the cover on, just to make sure to do my checks. And pretty much everything is not there anymore. So the SRS fault there on the cluster there, it's because I've got the actual airbag not connected. I'll do that last. And let's look at the scan tool. Here's my scan tool there now. Let's have a look. Alright. Scan tool saying steering column, multi-function steering wheel, because I haven't connected the steering wheel back on. Let's go back here. Multi-function steering wheel is not connected, that's why that fault's there. Let's go back to the actual ESP. There's no other faults on this car here. ESP is right there, electronic stability program, ESP, like ABS. No fault, from no steering angle sensor fault. So if you have a sensor fault, sometimes it's not just a sensor, you got to check a lot of stuff where the sensor go to, because you can actually have a wiring issue or something else causing the steering angle to come on before you condemn it. Okay, so that's good news. I'm very happy. Now I can actually put everything back together, put the covers underneath here together, all this stuff here together, and then pretty much go for road test, take it for wheel alignment, make sure it's nice and straight, and then go from there. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.